Good morning. It's Jordan, the 1031 doctor. And today we found a nice little deal on LoopNet that I wanted to go over today to McDonald's in Las Vegas, Nevada, tax-free state. And this deal is kind of interesting. I think you're going to want to stick around and learn a little bit about this opportunity. The 1031 doctor has been buying, building, selling, leasing triple net investments across the country since 1986. And we will do a full analysis of any triple net deal within 24 hours for $299. The price is going to start going up here. We're getting very busy. So my resources are getting tight and I'm going to have to hire some extra people. So the price is going to start going to $399 in October. And the 24-hour turnaround is getting kind of tough as well. So it might be 36 hours, but we try to get it done within 24 hours. Let's dive into this deal. Okay, this deal is a McDonald's founded on LoopNet. And the interesting thing about this property, aside from it being in Las Vegas, is that it is coming to the end of its lease. You've got 8 years with no options on a McDonald's that has been there for 30 years. And the traffic count on this corner, Flamingo, is 87,000 cars per day. So, and this is a half acre of land. So the underlying real estate is probably worth a little more than the 2.3 asking price. A 3.5 cap is a little aggressive for a McDonald's these days, but there's a 12% rent increase in 2030. So in 3 years, it'll go up to 2030, to go up in rent in 2030. So it'll be at about a 4.25 cap. And so you'll have that for another 2 years before they leave. Now, keep in mind, for an exchange, this is going to be kind of tough because there's a 30-day right of first refusal on this deal. And you know what I always say with those, don't rely on that deal. McDonald's could definitely step up and buy this property, especially with their term coming due. And if you do a plaster study, which I'll do for you, I'm sure their sales are pretty high with 87,000 cars per day. And then, as you can see, there's this strip right here, not too far away. Let's look at some particulars on this deal. 8 years remaining, 87,000 cars, strong demographics. And let's see what they say on the OM. Half acre of land, 19 spaces, so a 5.9 space per 1,000 square feet, and 155 foot frontage on Eastern Avenue. Now, it is a ground lease. Fee ground lease, so you will not have any depreciation. So keep that in mind as well. Let's take a look at the OM, and we can take a better look at the property. Now, I've been talking about how the McDonald's, when they are in demographics that are over $120,000 average household income, they may not be might not be a McDonald's much longer. Their menu is not very healthy. And higher income neighborhoods are looking for alternative fast food types or higher end like Chipotle or Panda Express with some very healthy options at Panda. So if you find McDonald's deals in demographics over 120,000 or 140,000, you can definitely see those deals turning over and becoming something else, which was very rare to see in a McDonald's. But in this one, the demographics fit for a McDonald's, both traffic-wise and household income. Here's a better look at the property. So this is a great intersection. It's a great ingress, egress. This shopping center is nothing really to write home about. You got a Red Lobster here, and Red Lobster is doing better these days, obviously. And here is the demographics. We've got a household income, 78,000. That is perfect for McDonald's. So this is in the kill zone, the target range, the sweet spot for McDonald's. Dense population of 500,000 people in a 5-mile radius. And you've got the University of Las Vegas 2 miles away. So this is a great corner. And you could, in 8 years, have McDonald's over a barrel. And probably, I wouldn't say double the rent because McDonald's are notorious low rent payers. They just do not pay rent. So this rent of $80,000 a year, $82,000 a year, that's like $2 a square foot. This is a $325 a square foot building at this point. If it was vacant, And so you could get this rent to about 115,000 pretty easily, maybe 120. So here's your first right of refusal. And it's a first for leasing and purchase right of first refusal. So that's interesting as well. Let's see if there's any more information on this deal. Tenant pays CAM, fully triple net. That's basically it on this. This is, if you're in an exchange and you're running out of time, this won't work. You could use the address to identify, just in case you can slip it through a right of first refusal process with McDonald's. It's a great acquisition price of $2.3 million. It's a very low price point. Vegas is a great place for McDonald's. Yeah, this was built in 2013. So that's not 30 years. So this is probably erroneous information. Eastern Flamingo, 35,000, and Eastern Avenue, 35,000, Flamingo, 52,000, and the 93 and 95 is a little bit away, so I don't know why they're including that traffic amount. 3,200-foot building. The new prototype McDonald's are not that large. So I could actually see them closing up shop and maybe finding another location to build their own, which they do, and then they rent it to the franchisee. So you got a Carl's Jr. across the street, Ross Five Below. Here's your Vons and your Target. Nothing really to speak about over on this side, but it's not too far from the Strip. So 52,000 cars alone is enough to support a McDonald's. But when you're getting into the 80s and 90,000s, that's just a terrific corner, and a corner you want to own. Here's a better look at this. You got your Starbucks and 7-Eleven there. And this looks like a house of worship. Yes, it is. You got a Dunkin' here. Here's your dental group. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Small price point deal. Great McDonald's credit. And I don't think they're going to want to leave, so you'll probably have a chance at negotiating a much higher rent with them. Anyways, it's 1031 Doctor having a great day here. And if you are in an exchange, or even if you're not in an exchange, and you're looking for a property to buy, I have a lot of deals that are off market. Happy to share them with you. I have an amazing broker network across the country that I've developed over decades, so I can refer brokers in different states for your needs. And I have some great relationships. And please, if you like the content provided by the 1031 Doctor, please like, subscribe, and share. Have a great day.